Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can download and play Tarisland for free on your PC or laptop. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to download and play Tarisland for free on your PC or laptop, it's actually pretty easy. Just follow what I'm gonna do. So for the first step, I want you to go to your Google Chrome or any web browser on your device. And once you're on your web browser, next, you will need to go to the official website of Tarisland, since that's where we can download the game. So just go and search this on your search bar. Make sure to enter it correctly so you will be directed to the website. And after searching, you will now be on the website. So to download Tarisland on this website, it's so simple, since if you will take a look, you will now be able to see the download options right here. So just select any button depending on your device. In my case, I'm using a Windows laptop, so this is what I will select. And after clicking it, your Tarisland will now be downloaded, so you can now click the file to start installing the game. And then you will now begin the installation setup. So to completely play Tarisland, you will need to install two parts first. So right here, we will need to install the Tarisland game launcher first before we can install the actual game. So just click this install button. And then the game launcher will now start installing, just wait for it to finish. And once it's finished, the game launcher will now be opened. And here at the game launcher, you can now log in your Tarisland account if you already have one, but if you don't have an account yet, just click this register button to create. And then you can now start setting up your account. So right here, you just need to enter your birthday. And once you're done entering your birthday, just check this agreement to agree to their terms and service policy, and then click continue to proceed. And now here, you just need to enter your email address, and make sure that you can open the email address that you will enter, since Tarisland will send a verification code to that email later in order to verify your account. And once you're done entering your email, you can now click the send button. And after that, Tarisland will now send the verification code to your email, so just go and open it. And here's the verification code, guys. So now that you've seen the code, you can now go back. And then just enter the code right here. Once you're done entering the code, you can now click continue. And now for the final step of creating your account, you just need to enter the password that you want. And after that, you will now have your Tarisland account. So now that you have your account, you can now start installing the actual game by clicking this download button right here. And then Tarisland will show you the total game size and the location where the game's installation files will be saved. If you want to change it, just click browse and then set it to the folder where you want to save it, but if you're already fine with the location, just click install. And after that, there you go guys, the game will now start installing. This might take a little time depending on your internet speed, but just wait for it to finish and then you will be able to play the game. And so that's just how you do it, guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.